Hello Nerdiasme! A while back I made a video about the latest phone I had. I'm not so into phones, I'm not buying the latest phones, I think it's a waste of money. I needed a phone and I went for the most useful device. This has the biggest battery of them all, of the lot. This is the Lenovo P2 and an A42. It's actually a Motorola telephone, but Lenovo bought Motorola. But check it out. It dropped. It's gone. It's broken. And that's the main problem with those phones. I don't like the design of the phones anymore. I don't think anybody likes the design of the phones anymore. I don't know what's up with the design of the phones lately. They need to be more fragile? I don't understand people. I think it are the reviewers and the influencers that are making the phones thinner and more fragile. Because they have 5 phones every day. So they don't care if it breaks, they just go to the next one. It are the influencers that make up what we want. I don't want this fragile phone. I really like this phone, don't get me wrong. I like the big screen. I like the speed of this phone. I really like this phone. I think it's the major sales of Lenovo, this P2, and they don't bring any updates anymore. They stopped support for Android. They don't gonna go for Android 8. They don't. What? I'm never gonna buy a Lenovo again. They just dropped us like flies. They shot us. The hardware is there. I don't understand why they don't do this. Yeah, whatever. It dropped. It's broken. So I bought myself a replacement screen because I'm still using this phone and it's working perfectly. There is no use for a new phone, a new screen or a new touchscreen even. I just bought the top layer glass. Although I don't think this is glass, it's bendy. So maybe that's a plus. If it's... No, I'm pretty sure this is just plastic. And they also sent me this hex Phillips and then some plastic spatulas. But then they also sent this. And I can't figure out what it is. I think it's this sticky tape that needs to go in between this new glass and the touchscreen. I'm not 100% sure. So, but then it's gonna be at an offset and this top and bottom is gonna be floating because of the thickness of this piece of sticky tape. It was quite expensive, it was 30 euros. So that's quite expensive for what it is. It's not even glass. I hope you tune in for the fixing of this phone or another video and I see you the next time. Bye! Thank you for watching.